Now I'm going to place my feet on the stall bars, the lower section of the stall bars. You can notice my pelvis now is also resting on the power plate. So I feel that vibration. It feels great on my low back. Once again, the knees are hip width apart. I press the arms down. I breathe in. Exhale, hollow the belly, scoop up and articulate the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Breathe in at the top, elongate, lengthen, exhale, and roll back through that scoop and relax the spine. Breathe in, exhale, rolling up, breathe in at the top, lengthen and articulate down. I'm going to try the same exercise now with my arms raised. So I'm reaching directly to the ceiling out of my fingertips. Breathe in, exhale, roll the spine up one vertebrae at a time. Breathe in at the top. Exhale, lengthen back down. Relax, breathe in. Exhale. Rolling up one vertebrae at a time, breathe in. Exhale, rolling back down. Adding on to the difficulty level, I'm bringing my arms back down, but I'm going to rise up, exhale, hold it there, and press my hips up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in at the top, lengthen, and rolling down. Next variation, we're going to do a single leg. I'm going to scoot down just a little closer and lift one leg, bend straight up to the ceiling. And in breath, exhale, hollow the belly and roll up. Breathe in at the top. Exhale, elongate, lengthen down. So single leg, glute and hamstring. Breathe in. Exhale, rolling up. Breathe in at the top. Exhale, rolling down. Switch sides. Breathe in. Exhale, curl the tailbone, roll up. Breathe in at the top. Exhale, lengthen, control, control, control the descent. One more time, breathe in. Exhale, rolling up. Breathe in at the top. Lengthen down, and relax. Next variation, we go back to single leg, but we're going to stay there with those pelvic pulses. So I release one leg in breath. Exhale, I roll to the top and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in at the top. Hamstrings and glutes on fire. Other side. Breathe in. Exhale, rolling through the spine. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in at the top and control the descent all the way down. Try it out, see how you like it. Thanks for watching.